This is Igbo Nigeria TV, an Igbotica production, 2017. 10 things you didn't know about the Igbo people. The Igbo are an ethnic group of southeastern Nigeria who constitute a significant portion of the Nigerian population. Their languages, traditions, and culture are immensely influential in Nigerian society and across Africa. Here are 10 things you didn't know about the Igbo people. The yam is the most important crop of the Igbo. Do you know that? Though cassava and taro are also key crops, the yam is the lifeblood of the Igbo people for those who live in rural areas and work as farmers. Annual celebrations are even held to celebrate the yam festival, such as the New Yam Festival called Ewaji in Igbo, where people show off their yam tubers as a sign of success and wealth. The Igbos were politically fragmented before British colonialism. Colonial powers often overlook cultural distinctions between groups, and the nature of the Igbo people changed drastically during the time of the British imperialism. Before that, however, there were starker differences between groups with regards to art styles, clothing, religious practices, and dialects. British colonialism introduced eze or kings into most local communities, centralizing political authority. Chinua Achebe, author of Things Fall Apart, says Igbo should be classified as a nation, not tribe, claiming that this distinction promotes negative connotations and inaccurate facts. Achebe maintains that the Igbo should be defined as a nation, such as the Native American Cherokee Nation or Japanese, rather than a tribe. Though they do not have a homeland of their own, he asserts that this classification is more in line with the actuality of the Igbo people and their vast diversity. The transatlantic slave trade has an enormous impact on the Igbo. Up to the late 19th century, the transatlantic slave trade meant thousands of young Igbo slaves were taken, mainly from the Bight of Biafra, and sold to the Europeans. Young people were the biggest targets, and warfare increased as slave traders offered high prices to kidnappers. There has been Igbo immigration out of Nigeria since the Nigerian-Biafran War. After the Nigerian-Biafran War, 1966 to 1967, Igbo land was devastated. Fighting destroyed much of the region's infrastructure, including hospitals, schools, and homes. Many Nigerian Igbos chose to leave the country in favor of neighboring countries in Africa, as well as areas of Europe and the Americas. While many stayed and helped to rebuild the area, there was a significant diaspora of the Igbo people. There are hundreds of different Igbo dialects. Though Igbo is considered a language in itself, there are hundreds of different Igbo dialects and Igboid language. Igbo often refers to Central Igbo, the standard Igbo dialect that includes the Oweri and Umuahia groups, as well as the Ohuhu dialect. Highlife is a widely popular music genre in Igbo communities. Highlife is a unique musical genre that combines a fusion of jazz and traditional music. It has become extremely popular in Igbo communities and has been popularized by the works of Dr. Sawario, Oliver the Cook, Bright Chimezie, Osadebe, and others. It often uses traditional Igbo percussion instruments such as the udu, the ekwe, and the ogene. The majority of Igbo people are Christians, but there is a small contingent of Igbo Jews. While the majority of the Igbo people are Christians and predominantly Roman Catholics at that, there is also a small population of Igbo Jews. They claim to descend from ancient Jewish traders who came to the region and married local women, creating a unique Jewish community in Nigeria. The Igbo population estimated at approximately 40 million. The 2003 CIA World Fact Book estimated the Nigerian population at about 170 million and the Igbo population at 23.5% of that, making the Igbo population approximately 40 million people. They live predominantly in southeastern Nigeria, the most densely populated area of the country. Igbo marriage is a process that takes several years. Before a marriage, the woman must give her consent. Negotiations must be made through a middleman. Her character must be tested, and the groom must pay something known as bride worth. The process is rarely accomplished in less than 2 or 3 years, at which point the ceremony may take place. Okay, I think I might just have to disagree with the last one. It is a bit over-exaggerated. The marriage process doesn't take that long. Thanks for listening to Igbo TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more update on the Igbo people. God bless you.